All right, y'all check this out. It's July the 5th, and I'm back at work. Now this is not scripted. This is straight. This is raw. All right, this is straight raw. All right, so first of all, right, I got my boy Fruity Pebbles. All right. If you look at the wheel, what old boy? What he say, Mrs. Society? Kane, look at the motherfucking wheels. I feel that breeze. You feel it? I know you look at boy down there, lost a finger. Hey, look, if you see some wheels like this in the street, and you put your finger in there, and you lose that son of a bitch, you deserve to have to lose that son of a bitch. Fruity Pebbles don't have insurance. So if you see this right here, and you put your finger in there, you just done lost your finger. That look good, don't it? Jail pole. On the set. You made the other one spin. Ooh, we ain't even going nowhere. Spinning. Boy, I feel like that AC cold. That AC cold. Jailhouse. On probation. All right, now, I got this car in front of me, right? And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it start. Now, last video, the car didn't want to start. So it made me look stupid out here. This woman came way from Louisiana to get this done. Keep y'all fingers crossed. Oh, it stopped spinning. Hold on. All right. All right, look. I hit the button 3 times on the factory remote. Okay, it's gonna do its thing. Okay. Did its thing. No embarrassing moment. One more thing I have to mention in this video. Okay. I was looking at some old footage of me and my crew. And back in the day, I mean, we used to go hard, right? Like we used to practice at like 2, 3 in the morning. We go to that corner store, get us like a fruit punch, some Skittles. We go at it again by like 7. Go to work at 8, get fired at 9, come back home. We do it all over again, right? So I want to do this for Lil Saint. Lil Saint, if you're listening, it's been a while since you've been gone, and I just want you to know we're thinking about you. So, Lil Saint, this for you, baby. Got my water. Oh, let me. Lil Saint. Y'all just imagine that was rain, all right? Lil Saint. Oh, shit. Oh. Lil Saint. Oh. Lil Saint. Oh. 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 Feel the glow. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Shit. Oh. Yeah. It's freeze. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Lil Saint. We're back in the studio, baby. One time. Hey, wait a second.